Hello! In the last video, we added the wheel and the motor reductor into the design, but in this video, we will align them on the chassis. Well, let's see. Let's talk a little bit about the car. So the car will have 4 wheels, 2 in the back and 2 here. Well, the idea is that only the bottom wheels will be powered by motors. Those wheels were just put on a body, and that body will be linked to a servo motor. And when the servo motor will move, the wheels will go this direction and they will change the direction of the car. Okay, well, before that, what I want to do is to add the reductor and the wheel in one single component. I will not move the bodies. I just want to have a parent called motor reductor and wheel, and they will be some components of this component. To do this, I will go to the root, I will go to assembly, new component, motor reductor and wheel. I'll click OK. As you can see, it is activated, and I will drag and drop the components. But as you can see, we have an error. Let's see the error. Cut restructure operation is not supported on derived entities. Well, keep in mind and remind this, yes? It's very important. You can't move or change the component structure where you derive the components. But let's think, I really need them in one single component, because if I will just copy and paste this like that, I will have a lot of components in my root component and it will be a mess. What can I do? Well, I can make another design where I will import the wheel and the reductor, as I did here, yes, in the last video. In that design, they will be one single component, yes, the root of that design, and then we will derive the root. So let's do this. I will activate a little bit this component, and as you can see, I already imported the wheel and the reductor in a new design. And because it is a new design, it has a root component, which will be the parent, and those two will be the subcomponents that I need. I will go to Derive, one component as design, add to existing design, I click OK, and it's called Arduino car. I click select. And now, let's see. I have here my component as I wanted, with the motor reductor and with the wheel. I can change the position between them, doesn't matter, but they are in the same component. I can remove those from the project. To do this, I'll break the link. I'll click OK. Fusion asks me, do you really want to break the link? Because if you do this, even if you do changes in the main components, they will not be applied anymore. Yes, I want. And here a tip, don't delete the components, just remove them. Because sometimes if you have a body and another body is designed on that body, if you delete the first body, you will have an error. But if you remove it, you'll not. So let's remove. This component is the empty one. And we have now the wanted result, the motor reductor and the wheel in the same component. Now I can copy and paste. And as you can see, I have like only 2 components, not 4 components. But I will do the copy and paste only after aligning, okay, the wheel. So let's do this in the next videos, because this took a while to explain how to properly derive components. So in the next video, we will align the wheel with the reductor, and we will put the reductor on the chassis. So see you in the next video, but let's save. I'll click OK. Bye-bye.